In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and edit pages and links in a GoDaddy website. This is a straightforward process, and by the end of the video, you'll feel confident managing your website's structure and navigation. First things first, let's get started by opening a browser of your choice and searching for GoDaddy. Once the GoDaddy website is fully loaded, you'll want to log into your account. Depending on your preference, you can use your email, Facebook, or Google credentials for a quick and secure login. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on your account dashboard. Here, the next step is to locate your website. Under the Websites Plus Marketing section, look for your website and select the Manage button. This action will take you directly to the control panel of your site, where all the magic happens. Now, on this page, you'll need to click on Edit to open up the GoDaddy Website Builder Editor. This is where you can make changes to your website's design and content with ease. On the right side of the editor, you'll see a navigation pane. In this pane, there's a plus sign, usually denoted by a symbol, plus. Click on this plus sign if you wish to add a new page to your site. This is a handy way to expand your site as needed. If you're looking to manage existing pages, you'll want to focus on the three dots icon that appears next to each page. By selecting this icon, you're granted access to several options. One of these is the Page Settings menu, where you have the ability to duplicate pages, effectively allowing you to create a similar page without starting from scratch. Another option is to delete any pages you no longer need. Now, if you want to update content on a particular page, it's as simple as clicking on the text or section you intend to modify. Doing this will bring up a menu on the right, which offers options to change almost anything, from text and layout to images and various other elements. To add a link within your content, start by selecting the text you want to turn into a hyperlink. On the right-hand side menu that appears, there's an option specifically for creating a link. Clicking this will allow you to link to another part of your website or even direct users to a custom URL of your choosing. Lastly, you have the flexibility to use toggles to decide whether the new link should appear in your site's main navigation or in the footer section. This decision can help streamline your visitors' experience and enhance your website's functionality. By following these steps, you've effectively managed to add and edit both pages and links on your GoDaddy website. With these skills, your site can evolve and grow right alongside your business or project. Thanks for watching, and happy web editing.